Hi, my name is Joel Castillo. I'm with Mossy Honda Lemon Grove. I'm a service advisor here. I'm actually going to show you guys the proper steps of how to make an appointment with us. So once you get to your browser, you're going to search up Mossy Honda Lemon Grove. Once you get here, you're going to click on our website link. And at the top left corner, you're going to notice three little tabs. Once you click on that, you're going to go to where it says Service and Parts and Schedule Service. Once you click there, you're gonna see a little blue hyperlink that says Schedule Service right here in the middle. Once you click on that, it's gonna ask you for some general information. So if you've been here for service before, you'll go ahead and type in a phone or email on Schedule Your Service. But if you're new, you'll go down to I'm a new customer, click on that. And then of course, you're gonna choose which options that you have on your vehicle. So click on Make, 2020, or whatever it is you do have, and it's going to ask for a mileage interval. So you can either put the specific miles, or if you want, you can choose roughly around how many miles you have. So let's go ahead and choose an option right here. And then when you get to this option where it says what services you need, you're going to scroll down to where it says all services and repairs. Once you get there, search. I'm going to go ahead and put oil change right here. And when you click next, it's gonna give you options if you either want to drop off your vehicle or do a valet service. With COVID, we're having issues, with transportation and customers working from home, so we want to provide excellent customer service and convenience for you guys. So if you like, you can do pick up my vehicle, and you'll have an option if you want to have same drop-off location or need a loaner car. And then from there, same drop-off location, you'll enter a pickup address. 3615, I'm just going to use the dealership address. And then once you click on that, you're going to press next. And then for pickup time, it's going to ask you a time and a date that you would like to come in for the service. And if it's your first time here, you can just leave it under first available advisor so anyone can be able to help you out. If you've been here before, it'll give you the option to actually choose who your advisor was from previous service. So from there, we'll have first available. And then it'll show the openings that we have from AM to PM. So let's schedule for 11:30. Once you see the blue review link pop up, you'll press review. You're gonna edit all your contact info right here. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and put Mossy Honda, and then our phone number here as an example. And then email, mossy@mossy.com. Perfect. So once you add all your information, it's going to make sure everything's in review to assure that everything's correct. Now for reminders and updates, it would be smart to do text and email just so you have a reminder of when to come in for the service. And of course, one of us will follow up with you as soon as possible. Now, once everything looks good and you scroll, everything's been reviewed, you're going to go ahead and click schedule. And just like that, you've made your appointment with Mossy Honda. And of course, we'll be able to follow up with you and you'll get a text or email confirmation. And that is it. My name is Joel Castillo with Mossy Honda Service Department. Thank you for choosing us, and we look forward to seeing you for service. Have a good day.